The TFL ball helps you to target the deep hip rotator muscles, such as the obturators, gemelli, quadratus femoris, and piriformis. These muscles often become tight as a result of tight hip flexors. To find these muscles, place your fingertips at your glute crease and draw a line from your sit bone to the outside of your hip. This is the release zone for your deep hip rotators. Start seated on the ground with your legs straight in front of you and the opposite foot on the floor with the knee bent. Place the TFL ball towards the bottom of your glute in the release zone. On the side that you're releasing, try bending your knee and bringing it out to the side to further access that muscle. Once you find a tight spot, take slow, deep breaths and relax your body. Maintain this pressure for 90 seconds or more. Release tension, eliminate pain, and return your body to its original state.